Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're not new. By the title, you already know we're getting into some maintenance today, as well as an update for you guys. As you know, if you've been watching me for a little minute, I cut my hair back in December. I believe it was November 30th / December 1st. It was around there, so I'm gonna just say December 1st. So that was about 3.5 months ago. And today I'm gonna do a length check as well as a little bit of maintenance, go through and just trim my ends a little bit because I'm noticing some of them are just a little straggly. You know, it's just about time to get those ends trimmed and all that good stuff. So I washed my hair this morning, deep conditioned, and I put leave-in conditioner in my hair just so it can keep it moisturized and all of that jazz. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and blow dry. I am gonna oil my scalp just a bit, and I'll be using the Texture ID Thermal Protecting Shine and Seal Gloss. I love this stuff. I picked this up at Sally Beauty, and this stuff is actually the bomb. So I really like this to use as a heat protectant, and it really gets my hair nice and sleek and nice and straight. And I just have my Hot Tools blow dryer here. Nothing really special, but this has actually been a great blow dryer to me, and I love it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll just take this oil and kind of put it in my scalp because my scalp is pretty dry. Like, although I just washed my hair, I can feel like my scalp is kind of dry. So massage that in. My hair has gotten so long, y'all. Look how long it is already, like. And it's only been 3.5 months, but it's so pretty. It almost makes me not want to blow dry it because I just, like, I want to do a wash and go or something. It's so cute. This is where it is. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I will do a comparison from 3 months ago when I cut it to now. All of that stuff will be in the description box so you know where to find me. Okay. So I can't remember the last time I did a blow dry video on my channel. I know I have some, maybe one. I know I have at least one, maybe 2 videos of me blow drying my hair. But y'all, I still do the same thing, the tension method, I believe it's called. And I just go from there. It works for me, and yeah, no need to switch it up. I think I'm gonna take my ring off because I do not want this to get all dirty or my hair get caught on it. Look how long that is. Y'all, I swear, I like cut my hair like up here 3 months ago. And it's already all the way down here. All right, so with the tension method, with my blow dryer, I do have a comb attachment, but when I start blow drying a section, I do not use the comb attachment. I just use it just like this, and I go in on high heat at a low speed. And what I do is I hold this section like this. So I hold it. It's like putting tension on your hair, and you want to blow dry so that it's dry and you don't have to do too much tugging with the comb attachment. Although my hair is detangled, I did detangle my hair when I applied my deep conditioner. I always do that. But just so I'm not ripping out any unnecessary hair, you know, tugging at my hair too much, I do like to do the tension method to help with that. But after it is dry to my liking and kind of stretched out, then I'll go in with the comb attachment. And sometimes I'll even do it more than this to where it's elongated more. But right now, it just depends on my mood, and I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the process. Then I'll go in with my comb attachment, detangle the ends, and work my way up the same way I do as if I was detangling my hair. All right, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna turn the heat up, well, I'm gonna turn the speed up. It's already on high heat. I'm gonna just turn the speed up to high, just so I can get it as straight as possible. So what this is that section, y'all. pretty straight. I am gonna go in and get just my roots a little more on the back or on this underside because they aren't as straight as they could be, but for the most part, this section looks great, and then I just move on. So over the years, I had to learn to turn my heat up to high heat because I was trying to do medium or low heat, thinking that I would cause heat damage to my hair, but I haven't caused any heat damage to my hair using the blow dryer on high heat, and the high heat really helps my hair to get straight so that, you know, there aren't any there aren't any kinks, no curls, any of that, so I can get my hair as straight as possible, especially when I'm going in to do a trim. Do what you feel comfortable doing, but high heat, high speed definitely works well for me. I do like to do low speed when I'm starting out with the tension method, but then when I switch to my comb attachment, I kick that speed up to high speed so that it blow dries as straight as possible. So now I'm gonna go ahead and speed this process up, and we'll be back to trim. Where did all of this hair come from? Look at it. It's just grown so much. Oh my goodness. And you can see like where it's choppy because I'm not a professional cutter. Is that a word? I'm not a professional. I'm just not a professional hairstylist. So when I cut my hair, like, it's very choppy. Like, this is all the way up here. This is all the way right here. Like, it's just very choppy. But we're just gonna roll with it because it just is what it is. Until I deal with it, this is what it's gonna be for now. But y'all, it's just so fluffy. It's so long. It's growing so much. All of this hair, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna just go in like this. Kind of looks, ugh. This side looks like it's a little bit more shaped, a little bit more rounded than this side. As you can see, this is like the only section where it's this length, and then it gets short here, and then it drops down here in the back. I am gonna go through and just do like a little dusting, I guess, maybe a little more than a dusting. I have some shears here that I will be using to clip. Okay, and now this section in the back. You just see this is up here. Y'all, when I cut my hair, when I tell you I just chopped, literally. If you haven't even seen that video, I'm gonna go ahead and link it and put it in the description box. You can go ahead and check that video out and see what I did to my hair and see how short we started versus where we are now. And I'm gonna just go through, not in any particular way, but I just wanna like do a dusting on my ends. Just a light dusting. This is how much hair I trimmed off. Not a lot at all. My hair is feeling great. It's looking all right, you know, it's looking all right. I'm gonna go ahead and style it up some way, but I'm gonna put some oil on my scalp, give me a nice scalp massage, stimulate my scalp and everything. And that is pretty much it for my maintenance today. How often do you guys trim your hair, and how often do you blow dry your hair? I tend to blow dry my hair probably 2 or 3 times a year. Not for any specific reason, but I normally do it in the cooler months. And since it is getting warmer, I wanted to go ahead and do it now just to update you guys on my hair growth journey. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, drop them comments down below, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and make sure you hit that bell to be notified each and every time I post a new video. That's all I have for you guys in this one, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye!